Hi everybody, this is Frank from Victory Sports Technologies, maker of the ERNE, the world's best pickleball training machine. What we're going to do today is show you how to remove ERNE's case for routine maintenance. It's very simple, and we really only need two tools. We need a 5mm hex wrench and a 3mm hex wrench. And the first step in the process is to remove ERNE's case. Put it off to the side. There's 6 bolts around the exterior, and there's 4 in the handle. You want to remove the handle bolts first. We're going to need the 5mm hex wrench to remove these 4 bolts. What you do is once you remove all the bolts in the handle, just take the handle off and put it off to the side. Now that you've removed the handle, you're ready to remove the rest of the case. You need the 3mm hex wrench, and you're going to remove 6 bolts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 in the back, 2 in the front, and 2 on the side. Very simple. Just take the 3mm hex wrench and loosen them up. Once you have all 6 bolts removed, put them all in a spot where you'll remember where they are, and you want to remove ERNE's case. Now keep in mind, there's still wiring that's connected, so don't just yank it off and be rough with it. Just take it off gently, place it back on its back this way, and there you go. Now you're inside of ERNE.
For those of you that have lost or maybe washed your remote in the washer, we probably have sent you a new remote. And to make this remote work, we have to do something called relinking the remote to the machine. It's a simple process, but you have to remove the base as we've showed you. And then on the back, you'll press the button, hold down the remote, any one of the buttons, and now it's relinked. It's that easy.
Now what we're going to do is put ERNE back together. You're going to place the cover back on like this, making sure the plastic piece goes around the chute. You're going to go back and you're going to find your 6 bolts. We recommend that you start replacing them in the back. On the back 2, get your 3mm hex wrench, replace the 2 in the back. Then what you're going to do, after you have the 6 on, come back to the handle. You've got your bolts that you removed from the handle. Now each of these bolts has both a lock washer and a regular washer. Please put the lock washer on first, then the regular washer, and then put them back through the handle, and you'll see exactly where they line up on ERNE, and that's how you put the handle. So once again, you put the 6 bolts back in the exterior, starting in the back, lock washer onto the bolt, the washer onto the bolt, and then the 4 into the handle, and put the handle back onto ERNE.